students, today we will be starting revaluation account. But in our last video session we have done about the treatment of goodwill. We have solved some of the illustrations also. Today we will solve some questions of revaluation account. But in our past video session we have discussed what is revaluation account. I have given you the format, I have given you the journal entry. Today we will solve some of the questions related to revaluation account, right? So for today our topic will be revaluation account. Revaluation account. But I am giving you some of the situation. According to that, we will pass the journal entry, right? So first situation. And before that, there is a question. You have to pass the journal entry to record the following transaction on the admission of Z. But Z is getting admitted. When Z is getting admitted, there is a reconstitution of firm. And if there is a reconstitution of firm, we need to prepare revaluation account. We need to value our asset and liabilities. As a partner in the journal of X and Y, who are sharing profit in the ratio of 2:3. Because there was a partner X and Y, they were sharing profit in the ratio of 2:3. Now Z is coming, right? So Z is a new partner, and since Z is coming, this is a case of reconstitution. There is a change in the partnership, so we have to prepare revaluation account. For that, there are some situations. We will solve each and every situation. These are the cases. So first case, the value of furniture is to be increased by 10,000. Their book value was 50,000. First was the value of furniture. The value of furniture is to be increased by rupees 10,000, right? And in bracket, book value of furniture given book value of furniture is rupees 50,000. We have to pass the journal entry, beta. The value of furniture is to be increased by 10,000. Now beta, furniture is an asset, right? Since furniture is asset, it is increasing by 10,000. If your asset is increasing, it is a profit or loss? It is a profit. And I have told you that revaluation account is a nominal account. Nominal account means debit all expenses and losses and credit all income and gains. So revaluation account, it is a nominal account. So debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. So here it is a income, so we will credit it, right? And since furniture is an asset, it is a real account, it is increasing, so it is a real account. Debit what comes in, so it should be debited. It is increasing, so it should be debited. So your entry will be, journal entry will be furniture account debit to revaluation account. To revaluation account. And amount beta, we have to write down the difference amount. Difference amount means by how much your asset or liability is increasing or decreasing. In this case, by how much it is increasing? It is increased by 10,000. We will write that 10,000. Right? So journal entry will be furniture account debit to revaluation account. Narration being increase in the furniture recorded, right? This is how we will solve it. Let us discuss one more. The value of furniture is to be increased to 40,000. The value of furniture is to be increased to 40,000, 2 rupees 40,000. Book value is rupees 20,000. Beta, the value of furniture is to be increased to rupees 40,000. Beta, in first is increased by rupees 10,000. This is by and this is to. There is a difference, beta. By means इतने से बढ़ा. Value of furniture has been increased by 10,000. 10,000 से बढ़ा. The value of furniture be increased to 40,000. 40,000 तक बढ़ा. Right? There is a difference. Original book value was how much? 20,000. And now it has increased to 40,000. Now total value of furniture is 40. So it was 20. Earlier it was 20. Now it has increased to 40. So by how much it has increased? It has increased by 20,000. Right? But in the first case it was given that is an increased by 10,000. We have to calculate कितना से बढ़ा कितना से घटा. Right? So ये 40,000 is the value, total value. Book value was 20. So by how much it has increased? It has been increased by 20,000. So since again furniture is increasing, it is your asset, and asset is increasing, it is your gain. So again revaluation will be created and furniture will be debited. Furniture account debit.